Hello and warmly welcome to all of you, whether you are joining us from big city, small country or small town, or wherever you are the globe in the world. So you are welcome to our YouTube channel. This is YTT Creators, your new home for practical, inspiring and action-driven content that will teach you exactly how to turn your YouTube channel into real business, one that earn you money, build your brand and create opportunity you never thought possible from YouTube channel and from your bundles you buy every day and everywhere. Whether you are just getting started or you are already uploaded a few videos, this channel is here to guide you step by step through short tutorials, tips and the strategies that actually work on YouTube channel. So many people, they don't know tips and strategies they can use in order to get money, in order to earn money and get much collection from YouTube channel. So make yourself comfortable, hit that subscribe button there and let's grow together, because your YouTube journey starts now and your future creator, entrepreneur begin here. You can become a big businessman. You can become a big content creator through YouTube channel, while you are going to throw us and be together with us. Once again, welcome to our YTT Creators, where creators become earners and where creators get much money, get much subscribers, viewers through this YouTube channel. No matter where you are watching this from, whether it is early morning in Nairobi, afternoon in Lagos, evening in Kigali, or midnight in New York, so I want you to know you are in the right place on this YouTube channel. What is channel? What this channel is about? What are we going to give you? What are we going to teach you? What are we going to give you, so in order to become a big content creators? Here at YTT Creators, we are all about one thing: teaching you how to earn YouTube into source of income, source of revenues, not by chance but by strategy, not with guesswork but with clear steps and your knowledge on this field of YouTube channel and other social medias. We break down how to create content that can generate money, how to grow your channel organically, and how to qualify for monetization and even go beyond the YouTube ads. So now let's continue with how to build digital product, get brand deals and treat your channel like a business. Here it is a class, here it is a family, it is a community. We are going to build it and help each other how we can grow our YouTube channel. You had dreams, you had objectives and goals of becoming a good content creator, but now you are going to be the one. And we do it all in a way that is simple, rated and made just for you. The African creator, the beginner, the side hustler, the student and hustler, the dreamers, they are here. It is home. You are going to become a good content creator. You are going to become a good manager of your studio, of your YouTube channel, of your social medias. You are going to become a teacher of others, other growing content creators. So why this matter? So I can ask you, why this matter? Why do we bring this content to you? Why we are going to teach you this? So YouTube is not just entertainment anymore. So many people, they use YouTube channel as an entertainment channel, as a a channel of hearing songs, listening songs, watching film and different videos that are very interesting in their life. But today I want to tell you and I want to teach you that this YouTube channel you have in your phone, in your computer, you can use it in a way of generating money and in a way of building something bigger brand and build your name and be known everywhere, be famous. So YouTube is not just entertainment, as I have said. It's a global marketplace of idea. It's a place where your voice can be heard, your message can be seen, and your passion can be paid you. This passion you have, talent you have, can be paid through this YouTube channel. But the truth is, most people don't know how to do it correctly and in proper way. But the truth is, most people do not know how to do it. That is where we come in. That's why we are here, to take you in the place which is right and the place which is going to help you to earn much money. So if you have been wondering, can I really earn from YouTube? The answer is yes, and we will show you how step by step you earn money, and step by step you get much subscribers, many subscribers. You get how you can get many viewers, and you get income. So now you are going to change your life through YouTube channel. Subscribe right now on our YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson, and don't forget to comment and share where you are watching from, because this is not just channel, it is community movement. From 0 subscribers to 1,000, from 0 income to your revenues, from just uploading for fun to building legacy. This is your moment, and I am so honored to be part of your journey. Welcome to YTT Creators, where creators become earners and small start ready to big success. Let's grow together, let's learn together, and let's win together. I thank you everyone who is watching this video, and I know that we have a big thing through this course, through this lesson. I am going to help you to learn and to know these YouTube channel features and the YouTube channel ways of working, and how it works, and how you can get money, and how you can get many subscribers and many views through it, and how you can build the big thing, and where big companies can join you and help them to make their products be known everywhere. Thank you so much. It was YTT Creators channel. So let's get started.